My name's Tom Richardson, and I think my perfect day is a day in the woods. My dad took me when I was small on the Appalachian Trail every year. Over the years doing that, I just started thinking, well, I'd like to hike that thing all the way. I hiked it and loved it. I'm one of the first to hike it, so I feel lucky about that. I'm gonna keep hiking till, I had knee pain in 2017.
He's so active physically, so it doesn't come as a surprise when his knee started to go.
I went to HCA Florida Blake Hospital for my surgery.
He came in with an arthritic knee, and we tried to treat it conservatively, and eventually we did a partial knee replacement.
I never felt any pain. Then I was hiking the trail last year, and that's when the pain started. And I thought I just pulled a muscle, and turned out it wasn't. I never thought it would be the bone. But when Dr. Cashen brought it in and showed me, he said, no, it's not that. We're gonna have to do knee surgery.
He's hiked the Appalachian Trail 2 times. He still runs. He's very involved with a lot of activities with his grandkids. And he just basically wore out the rest of his knee, and we had to convert it into a total knee arthroplasty, or a knee replacement.
My surgery was March the 27th, 2025.
We were able to harness robotic technology, which is a fantastic technique. It gives me much more information. I'm more accurate with the way I resect the knee and align the knee, and I do a much better job of sizing the implant.
So the benefits of robotic-assisted surgery are that the recovery time is a lot quicker. It's not as invasive, so there's not as much trauma that happens to the area that they're doing the surgery.
I left the hospital the next day after the surgery. Before I had the surgery, I was hurting, and I needed the surgery, I knew it. And I'm glad I went through it, and every day, every week, you get better and better. They really made me feel at home. When I was in the bed just before being wheeled into the operating room, they all showed up, like 10 of them, and they all had Appalachian Trail hats and got around me. Very cool.
It's our goal to provide an excellent service in our community. We're very fortunate to have a lot of great orthopedic and spine surgeons in this area.
The team I have at HCA Florida Blake Hospital is fantastic. When you have a patient like Tom do really well, it's something to be very proud of. It's great to see them get their quality of life back.
I want to thank everybody who helped me out at the HCA Florida Blake Hospital. Every single person there was not only professional but nice. It's been wonderful, and I recommend y'all to everybody.